Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll talk about one of the most valuable skills for successful meal planning: building your smart grocery list. A well-planned grocery list saves time, reduces waste, and helps you stick to your nutrition goals without overspending. Let's start with why a grocery list matters. When you shop without a plan, you're more likely to buy unnecessary items, forget essentials, or get tempted by impulse purchases. A smart grocery list keeps you focused and makes shopping faster and easier. Step 1. Plan your meals before you shop. Review your weekly meal planner and note the ingredients you'll need for each meal. Include breakfasts, lunches, dinners, snacks, and beverages. This ensures you don't miss anything and helps you buy the right amounts. Step 2. Check your pantry, fridge, and freezer. Cross off anything you already have. This prevents duplicate purchases and helps you use up what's on hand. It's also a great way to keep your inventory fresh and organized. Step 3. Categorize your list. Organize items by grocery store section: produce, grains, proteins, dairy, pantry, frozen, and household. Grouping items saves time because you won't have to backtrack through aisles. You can even sort by the layout of your favorite store for maximum efficiency. Step 4. Prioritize fresh and whole foods. Start your list with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These form the base of healthy, balanced meals. Avoid overly processed foods and snacks that derail your nutrition goals. Step 5. Plan for versatility. Choose ingredients that can be used in multiple meals. For example, buy a large pack of chicken breasts to use in salads, stir-fries, and wraps. Pick vegetables like bell peppers and spinach that fit into different recipes. This approach minimizes waste and maximizes flexibility. Step 6. Consider convenience. Pre-chopped vegetables, canned beans, frozen fruits, or pre-cooked grains can save time without sacrificing nutrition. It's okay to mix convenience with freshness. The goal is sustainability, not perfection. Step 7. Estimate quantities. Knowing how much you actually need reduces waste. For example, if one recipe calls for half a bag of spinach, plan another meal that uses the rest. Over time, you'll get better at estimating portions. Step 8. Use digital tools. Apps like AnyList, MeLime, or Out of Milk let you create and sync grocery lists, categorize items automatically, and share them with family members. You can even link your list to online grocery delivery for extra convenience. Step 9. Stick to your list, but allow flexibility. If you see seasonal produce or healthy deals that fit your plan, feel free to swap them in. A smart list is structured but not rigid. Step 10. Review and refine weekly. After each shopping trip, note what you bought too much of or ran out of quickly. Adjust next week's list based on your actual usage. This keeps your meal planning efficient and realistic. A bonus tip: never shop hungry. When you shop on an empty stomach, cravings take over and you're more likely to buy things you don't need. Eat a snack before shopping and stick to your plan. Here's your quick recap. Plan meals first, check what you already have, categorize by store section, choose versatile ingredients, and use digital tools to stay organized. Over time, your grocery list will become an effortless part of your meal planning routine. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to shop healthy on a budget, because eating well doesn't have to be expensive when you plan smart. Let's get started.